It's a very windy day today, and it almost went out of control. We must have caught it in the first couple of minutes because we were outside and we saw smoke, and my kids and I were able to put it out and the fire chief actually came. We were able to get it kind of done, but our water went out too, so it could have taken out everything.
The wind was the reason for it.
Yeah, the wind actually blew a piece of tin off of that thing on the roof, and it hooked on the power line there, and it sparked, and that's what lit everything up. So, pretty scary.